Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video what I'm going to do is I want to review the official Samsung Galaxy rugged case for the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now I've been using a bunch of different cases for my phone and I keep coming back to this fantastic case. Now again, this is going to be an official case by Samsung and it's designed to be protective and also stylish and also functional. So there's a bunch of different things I love about this case. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about all of those one by one. So let's dive in and get started. Now, the very first thing I do want to address is that fine, grippy texture on the side of the case. So you have grippy texture on this side, okay? And you have grippy texture on this side and also at the bottom and the top so it can match all the four sides. But having this grippy texture, make sure that when I hold this phone in my hands, there is no way this case is going to slide out of my hands, which is great because the objective of any case should be to minimize drops as well as giving you drop protection. So that brings me to the second point. This case is not too bulky yet extremely protective. Now you do have raised lips, as you can see, okay? So when the case falls flat on the actual table or on the floor, the screen is not making contact with the surface that it's dropping on, okay? Because it does have the raised lips. Other than that, again, this is not too bulky, but it is fairly bulky to give you enough protection. And Samsung does claim that this gives you military-grade protection from drops. Now, I haven't dropped the phone in this case so far, but I've been using these cases for my other smartphones, previously Note 20, the S10, the Note 10. This is the case I use on all my phones, and I have dropped them before, and it does get the job done. Now, one more thing I really love about this case is the fact that it has two kickstands. Not one kickstand, two kickstands. Now, they're designed to give you two different angles. So with this one right here, when I have it on, I can watch a movie just like this. It gives me a certain angle, but if I want it more tilted towards the surface, what I can do is I can use the second kickstand, okay? So based on where I'm sitting, in what position I'm sitting at, I can have an angle like this, okay, to watch a movie, or I can have an angle with this one right here with the slightly larger kickstand, and there you go. And they're all nice and tactile, you can hear that. Okay, so they're high quality. And one good thing I like about these kickstands are they're designed to be unbreakable. So basically, if I were to grab this guy right here, I can just go like this. It comes off, but it easily attaches back in place. This prevents it from actually breaking the kickstand. I can just snap it back in place and it's back in business, okay? So accidentally, if you put pressure on this thing, let's say it was sitting like this, okay, let's say you put some pressure on it and the kickstand will just come off, but it's not gonna break, okay? It's just gonna come off like this, but you can snap it back in place. So we have dual kickstands. You get two viewing angles, this one, and also the actual kickstands virtually never break, okay? Because they'll just snap out and then snap back in place. And of course, I do want to mention, I love the design. Some people may like it, some people may not like it. Okay, I love the design. I love these lines. It just makes sense. The case, when I hold this in my hands, when I look at it, it just makes sense. And of course, we do have precision cutouts for every port. Look at that camera, okay? We got precision cutouts for every camera module. On the top, we got the precision cutouts for the two microphones. On the bottom, we have the precision cutouts for the USB Type-C port. And of course, the speaker. And of course, we have easy access to the actual buttons on this side. Very easy to press, as you can see, okay? So I think this overall is a great case to have for your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Again, to summarize, it is functional, it is protective. I personally love the design, and I love the fact that it is very grippy, okay? So this case is not gonna slip from your hands, okay? To me, that's an additional layer of protection. It is protecting your phone before it even drops by giving you a high level of grip, okay? So fantastic little case. I'm gonna drop a link down below if you wanna buy one of these guys. It is the case that I keep coming back to. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?